Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to use the Ricon onboard split lift with a clear step-by-step guide. First, using the remote, turn the lift on by pressing the power on button. Next, press the deploy button. The lift will begin to unfold and lower down until it's level with the minibus floor. Once the platform reaches floor level, press the down button. The lift will continue lowering all the way to the ground. Now guide the wheelchair user onto the platform. Make sure they're centered and facing forward, ready to be lifted. Once they're in position, press the up button. The platform will rise smoothly to the level of the minibus floor. Then push the wheelchair carefully into the minibus and make sure they're safe and comfortable. And don't forget to make sure the wheelchair is properly secured before driving. To learn how, watch our dedicated video. Click the link here or check the description below. Finally, once the boarding process is complete, press the stow button to fold the lift back into its stored position. And that's it. You're all set and ready to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media.